Hello, this is Danny Pizarello from ILS. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to answer a question brought up by you teachers. The question is, how can I preview quizzes and tests on the platform? Well, once you sign in, you go to My Courses, then you select the course. Right after that, you scroll down a bit, you look for Practice Tests, then select the quiz or the progress test to preview. You read the instructions, and then you go all the way down and click on Preview Quiz Now. You type in the password, and then you start the attempt. So it is easy when you haven't previewed the quiz or the test before. But what if you already used it? What's going to happen? Well, let me show you how that goes. Let's say that you're checking and you want to preview the quiz for Unit 1, and the level is Upgrade Your English Beginner A2.1. So again, you look for practice tests, then the first quiz, and then you notice that the preview button does not appear. So you're like, what can I do? Well, easy peasy. You scroll up a bit, and then you click this icon, the clock button, then click on preview, type in the password, and then again, you can preview the quiz or the test as many times as you wish without any problem. Thanks again for watching the video, and hope this helps you answer the questions. Bye.